Fellow peoples of the Southern Cameroons, fellow Ambazonians, today is the 20th day of the month of February 2019. My name is Capo Daniel. This is my daily podcast to you. The Dentok say if you want change, make you first start for change yourself. For this was journey for restoration for the independence and sovereignty of the British Southern Cameroon, now Ambazonia. Would learn for throw away all the bad fashion the way will be copying for La République du Cameroon, including corruption, dictatorship, and plenty bad fashion for government we will not be damn sabise na idi destroy. This today na the day we were leader them, the Naira 10 they take them go time for inside kangaroo court for La République du Cameroon. So now Mami Wata goes stand will stand with solidarity for all our political prisoners the way they don't catch them. Put them for Kondengi, put them for Nchang, put them for Bafoussam, put them for Douala, put them for Yaoundé, for all prison all over La République du Cameroon. Where people there for day more than 2,000 will stand together with solidarity with them and their members and for their family. Say me God help them meet this struggle. He can lead for freedom for all man. So today we talk about the stock way this financial secretary for the IG, he can't talk him. In response for allegation which Chris Anu, the secretary for communication and IT for the IG, it can't talk. This talk it expose deep corruption, misappropriation, embezzlement, power mongering within the IG will be done the talk for a long time. As when I hear the Tabanyam Brado, he explain how people they receive salary, they pay money for Chris Anu. Over 3,500 for this past 3 months. Even though the IG, their cabinet be done voting me, they no be can pay people. They be giving even $16,000 for equipment for TV station where he be done announce and say that equipment be been a donation for ye. Plenty thing them the way will be done. They talk long time. They explain themselves say the money for my trip to Boya, where they estimate it be close to $1 million. 95% of that money it go past na through Samuel Sako and if Homeland Security John Egoan their hand. The money we reach for ground zero will never see them. Any community where they hide corruption, they hide misappropriation, in office succeed. We don't see them for La République. For the country where they aspire for get them, it give to be transparent. He gave a big competent meritocracy. That means the only person where he merit something they need to put it for them begin to go before. He even go for the extent where Tabanyam Brado he explain and say Seseko Ayuk Tabi since they be stopped for that give it that chance for talk for people they be remove that incommunicado for that detention. He be done the work with IGD get meeting with them for over 1 month. Now only as ICAM support say me they reform the IG, where he no even participate for the vote. Now we the current AIP for the IG, he decide for blackmail. Then talk say people for prison their head and shakes more than if be steady for give order because them be controlled by the enemy. Then send even their surrogate for go for outside go blackmail Seseko. For the extent where they for even move Seseko for place where they put them for solitary confinement for inside Kondengi day. They no be care because always they be the focus now for hold their power and their position. So because they want protect their position them for inside government, now where they make vote for move Seseko for power for decision making power inside the IG. This will be unfortunate, my people. Who's will come out, who's will go. I go take time explain them for now understand what the way happen. What did it happen so that we go know how thing that it go when I go shine. This problem is starting now say this struggle for independence for Southern Cameroon. Time where the leadership from the consortium be handed for Patasang Wilfred. He be call all the nationalist movement. That means say all the organization where they began the fight for Southern Cameroon independence and in sovereignty before the consortium start. All this group then come together. 7 group. SCYL, AGC, SCNC, SCAPO, ROA, Then come together, they sign book, they make agreement, they enter for agreement, then form one organization called the Leadership Council. If you get honorary member, them like Dr. Carson Nyangwe. This body, if they like the parliament, if they like the constituent group when they decide for all things, before they want make any document, any decision, that they go decide inside that council, they go sign book, it go. And the law and the agreement be say no decision no go be taken for this revolution where they no go come up for that council. So the council decides say it need worker them where they go to work for them. Now you way them create Skakuf. Skakuf became Secretary General. But the Secretary General they do not work for that council. That council be there in Gumba House when they decide all things. Though the game for the secretary they implement them. Say move fight for independence. Now say it be start. It can be for way instead for the Skakuf Secretariat for the work for the Leadership Council. The secretariat start becoming work you want to go. You need to take order again for Leadership Council. So now the problem that way be there for the secretariat you need to take order for the Leadership Council where they be done create them. Secretariat he come out, he talk say he no go work with Leadership Council again. He go make his own Leadership Council. He collect all the people where they be there for diaspora. He make them become Leadership Council. They call them now country head. The various community leader them for the other different country them take them. Come replace those people where they be been at the one where they be sign that document for make that agreement for lead this struggle. So now some that leader them they be talking they no go recognize what way the secretariat they do. So the secretariat become he make the fourth conclave. He no ask the Leadership Council again their opinion. He don't begin to go. Now that thing where the Skakuf, the governing council is secretariat, they become replace all the leader them for this struggle inside the constitution, inside the Leadership Council with this diaspora them way then they call them na leader na country head. Some of them people don't know who them come out different country them gather them come. Now but they way problems start. Now but they na the root cause that for the problem who they get them for this struggle because that time the nationalist group that they talk say they need to recognize una be who the Leadership Council you do thing they go you need to ask people their opinion. So now for this division is start. You start get people way they nobody do them background check. They no get no history for the struggle. People don't know who side them come out. So all can man he enter for inside this struggle. He enter for this IG where they call them now government. He did some people they call them look them like their own government for Southern Cameroon. He get can people for inside with no vetting. He comes up say Siseko will go for fourth conclave without authorization from the Leadership Council because they be done push them for one side. Now for they will go choose Siseko say now our interim president, even though there are people can change the name by themselves. That way they come catch Siseko. Unfortunately for Nigeria, go time for La Republique. Then Shidong, then vote, then put two people. Say me then choose. Me the country head when them be not like the people where they give the order like parliamentarian for the IG. Me then choose two people. Chris Anu and the Sako way they for day. Then vote then choose na Chris Anu. The cabinet so those people them again. Then Shidong then change them. Then put na Sako without no background check. Now for the way Sako come it be for day now for place where it did it. All this time people they talk say more get unity. They talk say okay the nationalist movement they are big people. Me them enter for inside the IG like where they like their own government. Me they enter take position. They said no, we'll not join this way because before we start this struggle, they be done put them now. They be there for constituent member for Leadership Council. They not be defined now for position. No be now about position. We run there for situation where for cover up that first mistake where they be make them, where them push aside the leadership. Now way they go do more mistake on top mistake on top mistake. Now it don't come. Then say they go make something like parliament for ground zero, local government by local government. Then so choose another people for diaspora. Say only man way you come out for the village, you go take you go make them. You did the same like parliamentarian. Where they no ask people for day. Who say when I vote any man would the say then get even for place where I come out Boyo. They don't choose someone for Germany, say na he be the head for Boyo. It goes time for they vote. The one for Bui, when I go choose some man way 100 way by day for day. Now all these things so it damn drag we go back. People they make na government we will never get country. It don't bring a lot of distraction. All the speaker, even Mark Barata, it don't open up talk. I'm saying that this thing they drag we back because instead for we for begin fight for diaspora. For liberate our country, people they fight nana for position. Even for help or avoid them for ground. Where they don't wake up carrying a then gun the way na gun for cry die. No be say some man for diaspora buy them. Now way they take our different way. Even so the money they come out in the reach for day because people don't use corny enter for inside day. Because the people where they do for inside day, they need to bring people now say na leader them where they go lead we. They bring people for inside where na say na people where go can protect their position. The whole thing it don't be na the way with this level. So would the talk say me people understand what the way they happen so that the eye go shine. Knowledge is power. So that you no go fear. The struggle for our freedom no be IG. No be the government. Now the country for get liberation. Would encourage our people me they understand say na say democracy na say freedom a day people go dey argue. They go to expose him for outside because for Southern Cameroon would wash clothes now for outside would dry them before we bring them for inside house. Put them for house fine before wear them come outside me people see. So na say go the day, na say change the day, na say democracy day. Me man no fear because the leadership them they see do the work where they supposed to do them. We don't see her Dr. Ayabacho for the agency they don't try to they don't get some country where he go stand for our back. So Ayabacho now na the leader. Leader no be position. Because now only for Southern Cameroon where people go feel vote choose their leader. Make government now only for them because government they come only through universal suffrage. And through the contract where General Arke be sign them with Dr. Ayabacho ADF. He show clearly say they make promise say no man no go take power where they no elect them. If we run dictatorship for La Republic, we need to change our mind. We not going to check the country in La Republic. President Apobia, he go to act the same way. No, we must go back. Restoration means that we go get back the system where we did before we want join La Republic. That means that the system for Southern Cameroon, the prime ministerial system. When we go decide to choose whether na federal or na weti, time no come, time no reach. Now na for focus for liberate our country. Make the territory ungovernable. Push targeted diplomacy for get recognition. The light it don't become rich. We hope say how all this wahala don't come up for inside this IG. All this corruption they don't be exposed. All the people where they be there for the way they be being a federalist. So one CPD and people they are picking the way they don't can enter for day. They want turn the struggle take and maybe we go back for go make peace with Paul Biamu who did the same way we will be before. You know go work. I got this one. I got ordained struggle. It don't be exposed. So we go hope say when they go hold a meeting, all these things the way they talk, they make our nobody make sense. All that thing they go stop them. They go come together. We align ourselves. We follow the leader. One of the leader where he don't distinguish himself. Because leadership now, we not go to look say leadership na strong man, a man we like, a man we not like him. Leadership na man we he don't show say he get vision, he get the strategy, he get the roadmap for take we before, and he don't show we progress both for ground and for diplomacy. So we go align ourselves with Dr. Ayabacho Lucas, who is now officially the leader of this struggle by merit. We go follow you back. Why would we organize ourselves to come together? Say how we will join for support this effort. We run yes a meeting go day for Europe where the country where na go stand up for our back na he go help we for organize and for make sure say they go show we mentorship. So we pray me all man put prayer. While leader them for inside Kunengi. The one for our side. Me then they talk for one mob. We don't see say the IG he write document send them for UNPO. For talk say me them move Dr. Ayabacho he movement for inside when I don't champion with the getting where they come. Oh boy. Now what is this? I say it be. Would they pray? Me them stop. Me all this fighting is stop. If na argument, he argue, it only bring na the good thing me come out. Because you no go know one way fine if you never argue with some person. All things have to go before. All the corruption it must stop. We don't see how they don't waste money. Population people don't die for nothing. They expose will be the fight before na say me will liberate. Today people they fight na say the one show power. They organize now no be because say the one for organize say me then liberate we. They organize now because the one being na the new parliamentarian them. Me all this corny is stop. We liberate our country. People don't die. We no fit turn back. We no fit surrender. We must go before. And now we see light more than ever before. Now time for we to gather together. For support Ayabacho for this effort. This big contender who we don't catch him. As he go do unfold. We go see him with our own eye. We go begin back him. May God bless you now. May this struggle it be short. May our independence and our freedom it be long. My name is Capo Daniel. God bless you now.